Okay, hello, we are this is Andre, and we are going to do milk and lemon together. Man. Okay, so I'm gonna put the milk inside this. Man, because the lemon one, it's so lemony. I can't even take 1 cup of it. And milk, I don't like milk. So it's fucking badass. And I'm gonna pour the lemon juice. And it is lemon juice. Look. Well, I can't show you it. I like lemon, but I don't like extreme freaking lemon. I'm risking this. That tastes so bad. It tastes like... Wait, let me try it. First it tastes like normal milk. Next it tastes like a lemony... No. Doesn't taste like lemon. First it tastes like milk. Then it tastes like cheese. Then it tastes like some kind of candy. Ah, shit. What if I add a lemon? Well... Okay, see this? Oh, man. Okay, I'll drink it for this. I'll drink it for. That tastes so bad. Because when I drank it, it tastes like, I don't know, it tastes like normal milk. But it tastes like this kind of sticky milk. What the heck? It tastes like cheese. Ugh. Okay, so this was Andre. So this was Andre and peace. Wait, actually I need to make some. Peace every day.